For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of lugging around bulky telescopes on your travels? Have you ever wished for a portable stargazing companion that won't break the bank? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. I'm reviewing the Celestron TravelScope 70 today, and let me tell you, it's about to change the way you experience astronomy. But here's what surprised me. This little powerhouse packs a punch with features that will leave even seasoned astronomers impressed. Therefore, if you're curious about how this tiny telescope delivers such big results, keep watching. So, who is the Celestron TravelScope 74? This fantastic travel-friendly scope is perfect for anyone who loves stargazing but doesn't want to be tied down by a massive telescope setup. Whether you're a student, an educator, or simply someone who wants to introduce their kids to the wonders of the universe, this is an incredible choice. Therefore, if you're still unsure about investing in a travel scope, let me put your mind at ease. With its lightweight design and sturdy build, this little gem is built to withstand even the most adventurous journeys. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out from the crowd. The Celestron TravelScope 70 boasts an impressive 70mm aperture and 350x magnification power, making it an ideal choice for observing lunar details, planetary features, and even deep sky objects. Therefore, if you're eager to explore the night sky like never before, this is definitely worth considering. One of the most significant advantages of this travel scope is its portability. Weighing in at just over 1 pound, it's incredibly easy to toss into your backpack or carry-on luggage. But here's a twist: don't be fooled by its compact size. This little powerhouse has been engineered with high-quality optics and sturdy construction, ensuring that you get the best possible viewing experience no matter where you are. But what about image quality? I've got some great news for you. This scope delivers crisp, clear images even in low-light conditions. Therefore, if you're worried about sacrificing image quality for portability, rest assured the Celestron TravelScope 70 has got you covered. Now that we've taken a closer look at the features and specs of this incredible travel scope, let's talk about real-world performance. I put this baby to the test under some pretty challenging conditions: bright moonlight, city lights, and even a few cloudy nights, and the results were nothing short of astounding. But here's what really blew me away. With its advanced optics and clever design, this travel scope can outperform many more expensive telescopes on the market. But how does it compare to other options in its class? Let's take a look at some of the competitors. But there's one crucial difference. While they may offer similar features, none of them can match the Celestron TravelScope 70's unbeatable combination of affordability, portability, and image quality. What about durability? I've had this scope with me on countless camping trips, hikes, and even some rough travels, and it still looks brand new. Therefore, if you're worried about investing in a product that won't withstand the rigors of adventure travel, you can rest assured the Celestron TravelScope 70 is built to last. But how much does all this greatness cost? Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. At its current price point, this travel scope offers an unbeatable value proposition. Therefore, if you're still unsure about pulling the trigger, just remember, with its incredible features, durability, and affordability, the Celestron TravelScope 70 is an investment that will pay for itself time and again. So what's the verdict? After putting this fantastic travel scope through its paces, I'm convinced that it's worth every penny. Therefore, if you're ready to take your stargazing adventures to new heights, literally, click the link in the description below to grab the Celestron TravelScope 70 for the best price on Amazon.